local competition. A terror bird. Maybe not that terrifying, but intelligent, resourceful, flightless hunters. Their ancestors have lived here for 50 million years. His brother. They hunt together, but when food is scarce, it's every terror bird for himself. Why do the hard work when someone else can do it for you? All he has to do is follow. Not too close. His brother has the same idea. If he's smart, he'll let his brother take the heat. But it's working. For both of them. But as the turmoil of the Ice Age continues, to keep their place in this strange new world.